China asks U.S. to protect, hard-won, results ahead of Trump-Xi meeting. The Chinese Communist Party's official mouthpiece called on the world's biggest economies to jointly safeguard hard-won achievements from their latest trade talks, ahead of a high-stakes meeting between Donald Trump and Xi Jinping. Trade negotiators from China and the U.S. announced Sunday that they'd struck a slew of agreements on issues spanning tariffs, shipping fees, fentanyl and export controls over 2 days in Malaysia. That marked a significant cooling of tensions, after a fresh volley of tariff threats and tit-for-tat export controls threatened to derail the bilateral relationship. Striking a conciliatory tone, the People's Daily said Monday the progress showed Beijing and Washington were capable of handling their differences. Neither side was blindsided by these issues, instead they focused on solving the problems, according to the commentary penned by Zhongsheng, a Chinese homonym for a voice of China, that's often used to set out Beijing's foreign policy views. The Hang Seng China Enterprises Index rose as much as 1.3% on Monday, while the broader MSCI AC Asia Pacific Index advanced 1.5% to a new intraday record. China's 10-year government bond yields edged up, as demand for safety assets ebbed following the positive results of trade talks. Xi and Trump are expected to sign off on the terms this week in South Korea when they sit down in person for the first time since the U.S. president returned to power. That meeting could reveal details around issues such as China's purchases of U.S. soybeans, Washington's plans for shipping fees on Chinese vessels and Beijing's rare earth export controls. We expect the leaders to approve the deal, but whether it will bring lasting relief to markets is less clear. The new reality for U.S. China ties appears to be one of frequent ruptures and short-term fixes, Chang Shu, David Chu, and Jennifer Welch of Bloomberg Economics wrote in a note. From China's perspective, fewer external uncertainties will buy policymakers time to focus on supporting the domestic economy and enhancing its tech sufficiency, they added.